Africa Content TV.
In the name of Almighty Allah, the sustainer and the cherisher of the whole universe, Adeyemi the third, the head of Islamic propagation. Adeyemi Keta made significant contributions to the development of Islam in Oyo and Yoruba land. These contributions will remain indelible in the annals of our history as the stamp is filled firmly on the sand of time. I will enjoy all the people that are seated here to join me in saying Kábíyèsí 3 times for ikú bàbá yèyé Ọba Akeem Abímbọ́lá Ọ̀wọ́adé. Are some of his impact on Islam, on Yoruba land and Nigeria. Ọba Lamidi Adeyemi tẹ̀bárẹ̀ nìkankan. Ọgbàgbé àná ọlọ́lọ́lá kò ní ọgbàgbé ọlọ́lá àtàná. Ènìyàn náà ò ní pẹ́ dẹni ìgbàgbé. Bàbá Adeyemi kẹta. He was appointed in Nigeria and he would urge by the military government of General Ibrahim Babangida to lead Nigerians beginnings to Saudi Arabia in 1991. Oba Adeyemi was one pillar of support to the activities of Nigeria Supreme Council of Islamic Affairs. He fostered a strong brotherhood with the Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Ibrahim, and the Secretary General, Alhaji Latifu Adegbite, for the Organization of Muslims in Nigeria. Number 3. Oba Adeyemi played host to many Islamic scholars in and out of Nigeria. He hosted Sheikh Nasir Al-Mansur Ibrahim Niyaz, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Sheikh Sani Awal, Sheikh Al-Marhum Adam Abdullah Al-Ilori, Sheikh Babawa Al-Hadabi Al-Hilori, Professor Bayan of Mauritania, and other prominent scholars in his palace. Oba Adeyemi in 1994, Kábíyèsí was the chief host at the foundation laying ceremony of the Oyo Muslim Community Hospital. It was a landmark achievement event where cream Nigeria Muslim gather in Oyo town. Oba Adeyemi Keta, he was a patron to many religious organizations in 1994. He played a vital role during the Maulud Nabi organized in Oyo State by the Majma Ul Hudaba at Tijani in Nigeria. Number 6. In 1996, Oba Adeyemi was the first Alaafin to have installed and honored some illustrious son of Oyo with Islamic chieftaincy. Titles, some of them were Alhaji Mashood Adisafe, Alhaji Olaniyan Mashood Mansour, Senator Mukaddamu Adisa Adejare, Alhaji Shehu Fakorede, Alhaji Ematuwo, Alhaji Oloburo, and others. Number 7, He was instrumental to the resurrection. He was instrumental to the construction and innovation of Oyo Central Mosque during his time. And he spent electricity and got equipped with water. Yes. Number 8. During his tenure, many Islamic organizations had their ways to Oyo Kingdom. Korib, Nesfat, Tigan, MSSN, TMC, and another 117 association society in Nigeria and Oyo. Don't mean to say Allahu Akbar. Ọba Adeyemi Kẹta, during his time, he created conducive and enabling environment for all religions. He did not discriminate. It is only on your Aláàfin that will be having a program where Onisese will be seated, Kan chairman will be seated, and the chief imam of Oyo will be seated for program for many years without any problem. It is Aláàfin of Oyo. Thank God. Number 10, Ọba Adeyemi was a lover of education. Because of this, he attended many Walimat Quran at least twice in Imam Dawood Ugiogun during his lifetime. And on that day, I was made a statement then that the students in my school, we are marking 20 years then. And I made one statement then that all the students are not paying anything since 20 years ago. And I used my money to pay the staff, and I promised that I would not collect dime from the students. Today, we can boast of 500 students that are now medical doctors, engineers in my school. And Babala has now promised that from where you get the money, and I told Baba that I'm a farmer. Babala has now promised that I will give you a land that will be continuously money, so that you are not the only that will be going to antenna. But I did not give you for free. I gave you because I wanted to die on Friday, to be on Ramadan, and to be the last day of Ramadan. Today, God Almighty answer his prayer. He died on Friday. He died on during the month of Ramadan, and God Almighty answer his prayer. Lastly, he lived for a woman. Laughing. One time, Kabbalah Barawo. Àwọn tí wọ́n sọ ni pé tọ́lọ́mù bá gbàdúrà mi, tí ìmọ̀kọ́lọ́mù gbàdúrà mi ni pé ẹni tí ó fẹ́ràn ìlú yìí jù mí lọ lọ́lọ́run wọ́n yàn fún mi. Àwọn àmọ̀kọ́lọ́mù gbà á àtìgbà tí ọba Akímọ̀ wọ Adédé. Wọ́n dábàá ní pé ọlọ́run gbà á àti hàn àti hẹ̀ àti fún nìkan ní àti yàtúnṣe ẹnu rẹ̀. Ṣé kábíyèsí ọ̀nbọ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ sọ́kò ni òde. Aláàjì igi ogbó wọ́n wá ṣàdúrà wọ́n lọ́ba kan ò ní dé. Ọ̀yọ́ tí ọ̀wá ní fẹ́ràn rẹ̀ bàbá wa Láàfin wọ́n ní nǹkan mẹ́rin ayé. Nǹkan àkọ́kọ́ bàbá gbé èbó. Ìjọ ọlọ́run wà á yẹn ni tí ó rò lé wọn. Ẹni ó gbé èbó lọ́lọ́run tó yàn. Kábíyèsí Àbẹ̀ní. Bàbá wa Láàfin fáìn. Nígbà ọba tí ó tún dé, ọba tó tún handsome lọ́lọ́run tó yàn. Kábíyèsí ọlọ́run mú wọn ní arẹwà lóbìnrin. Nígbà ọlọ́run tó fún wa ní ọba tuntun rẹwà ní. Kábíyèsí wà lẹ́yìn ọ̀gá wọn ni. Wọ́n wá ti dé òní o. Wọ́n tún bọ̀ tòní. Ẹ̀kọ́ wọn ní sálà àgbèjà ọ̀dà nìkan ni. Nígbà bàbá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀, ọmọ àgbọ̀ òní lóorun sùn ní ìgbà tó bá wù. Ẹ̀ka wá wà mí lónìí. Bàbá wa kábíyèsí. Ìtọ́lọ̀ wá sí bàbá wa náà dàrú lónìí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá tún wo ìdókòó ìlẹ́nìí bàbá wa Archbishop Ayọ̀ Ládìgbòlù tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀kan gbòógì nínú onímọ̀ràn bàbá wa kábíyèsí táyà bá tún wá wò ìdókòó yìí ẹ rí i pé ẹni tó fẹ́ tòlú rẹ̀ rípò yìí àtẹ̀ rí wọn àtàtẹ̀ gàn náà ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní bàjẹ́ ọ̀ọ́bì ẹni ọlọ́run tí ó tòlú lọ́rọ̀ yẹn fún wa ẹ gbé ẹ̀yìn aago pẹ́ ọ̀làlá àwòlà
wàlá àkùrọ̀tà ìlà abilà nílẹ̀ azim.
wọ́n fà ẹ wà máa bọ̀ ìtàbí máa bọ̀ wá ẹ máa sún tẹ́ǹtì máa wá lónìí bàbá wa kábíyèsí.